Hello once again. This is Miss Abeer, and our lesson today is heat conduction. So let's ask ourselves a question. What is the type of energy that is necessary for ironing the clothes? Yes, that's it. It is heat energy. So, what is heat? Heat is a form of energy that transfers from the higher temperature object to the lower temperature object. Okay, and we have so many important things we can use heat for. Like what? It is important in our daily life in A. Warming the house, cooking, heating water, drying clothes. That's right. What else? This also has countless usages in industry, like what? Processing food, making glass, paper, textiles, and so on. So, the degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called what? Temperature. Correct. And we should know that the measuring devices of temperature are the thermometers. So, what are the elements and heat conduction? We have an activity to show the ability of elements to conduct heat. Okay, so the bottom falls from the metallic spoon. Okay, so we can conclude, or our conclusion is materials are different in conducting heat, where metals as rubber, iron, stainless steel, and aluminum are good conductors of heat. Non-metals as wood, glass, plastic, rubber, paper, liquids, and gases are bad conductors of heat. Okay, and you should look at this picture and you can try this at home. But be careful not to get burned. Okay? Okay, now pay attention. We have heat conductors and heat insulators. What are heat conductors? They are the materials that let heat flow through, such as copper, aluminum, stainless steel, and iron. Heat insulators, the materials that do not let heat flow through, such as wood, glass, plastic, paper, wool, and rubber, and so on. We have also live applications for this. For the heat insulators, like in cold countries, people benefit from air as insulator material in keeping heat, where air is used in making the insulating glass windows. Insulating glass windows made by bonding two glass sheets, maintaining a space filled with air between them to prevent leakage of heat. While in heat conductors, leaving spaces between railway bars to avoid train accidents, where iron is a good conductor of heat, so it expands and twists by heat. So we have elements that are classified according to heat conduction into two things: metals, like heat conductors, and non-metals, heat insulators. But are all metals similar in conducting heat? Of course not. Copper conducts heat faster than aluminum. Aluminum conducts heat faster than iron. The difference, the different metals, the different metals differ in conducting heat. We also have usages of good and bad conductors. Aluminum, copper, and stainless steel used in making cooking pots and kettles. Plastic and wood is used in making the handles of cooking pots, iron, and kettles. Wool used in making heavy blankets and woolen clothes to keep the human body warm. And you can think of other usages. And for last, this is the comparison between heat conductors and heat insulators. I leave it to read it, and we'll see you next time, inshallah.